Welcome back to Circuits V2 tutorials. Today I'm going to be talking about variables. So, primitive? So I had somebody in the comments section having a problem with, where would it be? Int variables. So, that's what I'm going to be using as an example. So, how a variable works, like basic, is, let's say you set this number to, let's go 3. Then, right now it's exporting what it was before, but whenever you do this, now it's exporting 3. Another thing about these is you can either have them synced, which basically means that it's the same for all players, because Circuits does run on each player's own device. It's not just like all under one. In cloud variable, which means that this will store this data whenever you log back on or whatever. So since it's a cloud variable, I could leave the room, come back, and it would still be 3. So I'm just gonna address the problem that they were having directly. Because I pretty much already explained it all, but CV2 shark. Okay, let's find subtract. So they were saying that whenever they subtract from an int variable, that it stays the same. I'm gonna turn this to a normal variable, so that it's just like there's nothing silly going on. -1. So what I think the problem might be is you gotta execute this in order for it to change. See, now that would be -4. Now it would be -5, -6, -7, -8. Right, and so on and so forth. I don't know if that answered your question, but that's what I got from your question. Anyways, if this tutorial helped, please consider subscribing, and if it didn't, please comment what you did not understand down below. And anyways, happy circuiting! Why are my hands like that? Whoa. RecRoom